Well, come to English with Basir. I hope everyone will be in the best position of your health in this video. I am going to share with all of you. Story is about as a Syrian refugee creates art that inspires peace and unity in New York. In the heart of New York City, amidst the roar of traffic and the rhythm of a million dreams, lived a young Syrian refugee named Amir. He had fled his homeland, leaving behind his family, his home, and his art, carrying only a small sketchbook that had survived the war. Amir worked at a small cafe in Brooklyn by day and painted by night in his tiny apartment. His art was not about beauty or fame. It was about healing. He painted what he had seen: destruction, fear, and loss, but also hope, kindness, and the light of humanity that refused to die. One day, he painted a massive mural on a gray city wall. It showed two hands, one brown, one white, holding a dove made of golden light. At first, people just passed by, but soon, someone stopped to take a photo, then another. Within days, the mural became a symbol of unity and compassion across social media. People began leaving flowers and messages beneath it. Peace is stronger than hate. We stand together. Love wins. A local art curator saw Amir's work and offered him a chance to exhibit in a Manhattan gallery. Nervously, Amir agreed. His paintings told stories of refugees, children, and shattered cities that still dared to hope. When the exhibition opened, visitors cried, smiled, and hugged strangers. Amir stood silently in a corner, overwhelmed. For the first time since leaving Syria, he didn't feel like a stranger in New York. He realized something powerful. Art could cross borders even when people couldn't. His colors became his language. His art became his voice. And in a city built by dreamers, Amir's paintings reminded everyone of a simple truth. Peace begins when we see each other as human. A moral of the story: no matter where you come from, your art, your voice, or your kindness can change the world.